I'm a simple man, don't wanna complicate ya.
Hey guys!
Hi guys!
Welcome back to the channel. This is Dad,
And Joe.
and I guess you probably guessed if you see all these packages. Yes,
It's that special day again!
it's that unboxing day, and it's time for the
The
Wheel of Wonder. It's our take on the classic unboxing, but we don't know what's in the box. So you guys get to experience the surprise just like we do, right, Joe?
Yep,
So explain to the audience how we
So-
do the Wheel of Wonder.
we are going to spin this magnificent little wheel. The number on the wheel, if it matches one of the ones on the boxes, that's the box we're going to open. So let's get started.
Just to make sure that you guys believe us, these boxes, we don't know what's in them. They were purchased by Joseph's mom, and she's the only one that knows, so they're a surprise to us. We really
Right,
don't
Mom?
know,
That's right.
right? Have we looked or peeked into any of these boxes?
No.
See? So, we'll be able to be surprised and it'll be fun.
So let's go ahead and spin the wheel.
It is number 1. So, this is box number 1. Now, like I said before, we don't know what's in this box. Do we, Joe?
Nope.
It's a surprise. Total surprise.
Maybe
It could be
just
anything.
The box.
It could be anything. It
It's
could be
just a
something cool.
box.
Maybe it's just a box.
It may maybe food,
Maybe
toys,
food. Could be an animal.
toys,
Could be shoes.
rain.
It could. What? Rain? It's not rain. I don't think in the box rain. It could be anything, really.
Anything, yeah.
Anything. So,
So let's go ahead.
and Joe is going to unwrap the box. Whoa!
In your face.
Oh, 3D. Woo! So, here's the box. And yes, it's Amazon because why wouldn't you buy something from Amazon, right? And here is the classic unboxing knife. Woo! And now,
Let us
thank
go
you, Joe,
ahead.
for unwrapping.
Open the box. Drum roll.
Drum roll, please.
2,
3. And in the box is
Very cool.
This is a wireless charging pad from Belkin.
Belkin.
Belkin. And just to be total honest,
Belkin did not sponsor this video.
right? Belkin didn't sponsor this video, although it would be cool, Belkin, in the future, but they didn't. So we purchased this.
No,
Or
she purchased it.
she purchased this. Good going, Joe.
I purchased this.
Yes, so here it is, Belkin wireless charging. For all those who have phones that are able to wirelessly charge, this might be helpful. Why are you giving me a thumbs down? Oh, he's pointing to it. Okay, it's not bad. It's actually a
okay,
thumbs up.
I'll-
Okay, so we're gonna open it and see what's in the box. Shall we, Joe?
Yep.
Right.
Drum roll, please.
More drum roll.
It's the product you can never open. Finally.
Okay,
Um,
the box is open. All right, so here we go. When that's not open yet.
we still have that. Okay, so
Now the box is open.
watch.
All right, look at the camera, Joe, and tell them what's in the box.
So what I see, a green box inside a white box, but has green on it.
Okay, so here, gotta
Let's
show them.
go.
So here's the box. Wait, careful. All right, so
And it looks like we have the Belkin wireless charging
pad.
pad itself. So let's put that to the side.
Yes, as you can see here, we have the Belkin wireless charging pad. Hope the camera picks it up.
Woo! Next, we have
The
some wires for the wireless charging
well,
pad.
this is where you. Well, this is where it gets a little tricky. Even though it's wireless, you still have to plug in this charging pad. So this is the brick and that plugs into this, but you can put this anywhere on your desk. But your phone doesn't have to be plugged in. That's important to know.
Okay, so up next we have
It's a detailed instructions on how to do it. Looks pretty straightforward. You plug it, you place it, and you charge it. But it says don't put keys there. I don't know why they would say
the keys
put
now.
keys, but I guess people try charging keys. I don't know.
So we have another instruction manual that actually this is too small and so many pages and
Yeah, but you're not gonna read this because, like I said, it's pretty self-explanatory.
yeah, it's really something.
You plug and you charge. Thanks,
Bye-bye.
Joseph.
Okay, so now with all that said, let's go and open this up.
Okay. Here, let's see. Ooh. So here it is. Charging pad. Like I said, would have been cool if it was red. My
Yeah.
phone is red.
So Dad, let's go and get your phone and see if it works.
Yes. So we're gonna show you first use, and actually I'm pretty excited. It's my first time having a phone that charges wirelessly.
He's really excited.
See, that's my excited face. Okay, ready? So here's my phone, here's the charging pad, and you just put it right on. Hey, look at us, we're in the future. Now this is what I was mentioning before. You see, it's not totally wireless because you have to plug in the pad, but there's no wires on the phone, see? But so far, looks pretty cool. This is all that was in the box, pretty easy installation. Okay, and
And-
the cover.
Check out Belkin. Put a comment below if you want more videos like this. And
Yes. A link will be placed in the description down below to the products talked about in this video. So in case you want to pick it up, you guys know what to do. I hope you found this video helpful. And as usual, don't forget to hit that notification bell. And until next time, I'm Dad.
I'm Joe. Peace.
Peace. Bye.
Bye.